Is your Audi TT key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a sync issue. These simple steps solve 70 to 80% of key fob problems. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob carefully, swap the battery, and ensure correct alignment. If that doesn't work, try resyncing. Insert the key into the ignition and cycle the door locks, or hold the lock-unlock buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. Refer to your owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as the procedure varies between MK1, MK2, and MK3 TT models. Remember, using cheaper aftermarket batteries can lead to faster degradation. If battery replacement and resyncing don't resolve the key fob issue, the problem likely lies in the central locking system, which involves the vehicle's body control module. Faulty wiring, corroded connections, or BCM failures require professional diagnosis using a scan tool like VCDS. Persistent fob failures often indicate deeper electrical issues that need diagnostic tools. Consider using the My Audi app to remotely diagnose central locking faults or reset paired devices. For newer TT models post-2018, explore smartphone-based key options via NFC and Bluetooth. For older models, aftermarket Bluetooth adapters provide a viable alternative to traditional fobs. If the BCM is faulty, replacement costs over $800, so check your warranty first. Prevention is key. Perform annual battery checks to extend fob life and avoid issues.